This week, we're releasing our podcast about painful sex, part 2. And if you did not know, many women suffer from painful intercourse. If you are listening to this and you are suffering from painful intercourse, please go and listen to the podcast. I split it in 2 parts because there's so many conditions that are causing painful sex, and you really have to address the condition in order to fix the problem. But this is a pelvic detail, and it shows in detail what's going on. So we have the opening. Skin issues can cause painful sex. We have the vaginal canal. Vaginal canal issues can cause painful sex. We have the cervix, which is the entrance to the uterus. We have the uterus and fibroids. And then when there is intimacy, when the penis goes in, it will move the uterus about. So if you have endometriosis and the 2 ligaments that tie the uterus to the back are moved and they're inflamed and full of lesions, it's gonna hurt. When there's PID, it's gonna hurt. When there's fibroids, it's gonna hurt. After menopause, the vaginal canal, the skin, it's really important to be thick and moist and lush and elastic and tolerate friction, and it stops doing that. So estrogen helps. So there's so much more information in the podcast. Please listen. The Wellness Optimizing Warrior MD or the WOW MD podcast. We're on Spotify. We're on every platform that you normally listen to podcasts. Lots of information.